In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tasks in Asana. Deleting tasks is a simple but important skill, especially if you're trying to keep your workspace clean and focused. Maybe you created a task by mistake, maybe something is no longer relevant, or you're just doing a bit of housekeeping at the end of a project. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, so you feel confident managing your tasks. First, open your Asana project and locate the task you want to delete. You can be in the list view, board view, or any other view where individual tasks are visible. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct task, because deleting the wrong one can cause confusion for you or your teammates. Look at the task name, any due date, and who it's assigned to, just to confirm you're working with the right item. Once you've identified the task, move your mouse over it so it's clearly highlighted. Now, instead of left-clicking like you normally would to open the task, you're going to right-click on it. On most mice, that's the button on the right side, and on a trackpad, it's usually a two-finger click or a click in the bottom right corner, depending on your settings. When you right-click on the task, a small menu will appear on the screen. This menu gives you a list of actions you can take for that specific task. In this menu, look for the option that says Delete Task. It should appear alongside other options like duplicating the task or changing its details. Take a second to make sure you've highlighted Delete Task, because this is the command that will remove the task from your project. When you're sure you've selected the correct one, go ahead and click on Delete Task. As soon as you do this, Asana will delete the task from the list. Depending on your workspace settings, there may be an option to undo this right away using an undo link or keyboard shortcut, so if you realize you deleted the wrong task, act quickly. In general, it's a good habit to delete only tasks you're completely sure you no longer need, and that's all there is to it. Select the task, right-click on it, and choose Delete Task. With this simple process, you can keep your Asana projects tidy, organized, and focused on the work that truly matters.